mbaito ebinda ya mukamba kukwatana na kunena na wasio mwe ni wiki hata baba andu matukima mayasi atewia maiti askale mauso siako mokie mauso sia askale ku mendani tumeanduma kwa umeimako wawe ndimo tumanu na nditumanduma kwa umeimako wawe. I want to tell His Excellency, you are talking about bottoms up. You talked about taking care of these people who are down here. What is happening now that the same people are the same people ndio unawaumiza. Why are you doing that? Mimi niliongea na wewe leo asubuhi na ukaniambia vizuri utaangalia. Tukiendelea kuongea hivi watu wetu wamefukuzwa, makanisa 5 yameangushwa, shule 3 zimeangushwa. El Nino ndio hiyo. Mtihani ndio hiyo inakuja. Why is it that you're doing that to us? Kama ni kwako Mheshimiwa Ruto, wewe ungekubali hiyo ifanyike? We cannot allow that. We cannot allow you to bring down churches. We cannot allow you. We cannot allow that. I am deeply aggrieved after witnessing the suffering of the dozens of Machakos residents whose homes were demolished yesterday by East African Portland Company Limited under the supervision of the Kenya Police and the General Service Unit. I condemn in the strongest terms possible the heinous act of demolition of property of people on their land. And I want to repeat, on their land. As a county government, we wonder why it was difficult to involve us before these actions were undertaken. And this is not the first time, this is the second time. The ownership conflict of Portland land has, for many years, remained unresolved, characterized with numerous court cases. It was shocking that the government security agencies proceeded with the demolition of homes without issuing any notice to evict people as the law requires. The demolitions have no doubt left our people in deep pain and counting huge losses to their hard-earned investment. To make matters worse, it is unfortunate that even places of worship were not spared. That is, 5 churches were brought down and 3 schools. It is particularly disappointing that the process was unnecessarily rushed, despite the fact that there were ongoing high-level discussions between me, the president, and the deputy president, which they promised me. They will call me and the leaders of Machakos. We sit and discuss about East African Portland cement. The last time I was with His Excellency himself, he told me he will call a meeting of the leaders of Machakos, including me, so that we can discuss these issues. That notwithstanding, we are alive to the fact that on the 23, the Environment and Land Court in Machakos struck out the case that had been filed by Aimima Lokenya. Nondo takwanyeta governor wa Masaku nini na president kwacha na mutabia kila kiende ambia nuko sisia onatine noyu nyumba sia nuno siende na ekata na kuomboa Ithiata county government ya Masaku tiyena thina na serikali ya Ruto, lakini omunde tena thina nayo niki nondo anuma Masaku nimo mekumea Bebinda yebika mutongoi akaungama na andu make na mbaitu ni mutabia ne kanisa yiba ni ungama na andu makwa. Nitakwatiania East African Portland Cement Company Limited proceeded with the demolitions without express court order to that effect. And not East African Portland, East African Portland and the railway. East African Portland waliuzia railway. Railway sijui kapatia kina nani. Hata hiyo shamba tunataka kujua ni kina nani hao walipatiwa hiyo shamba. We are concerned where there was such a rush to demolish, yet there has been substantive restraint for the last 10 years. President Kibaki was there. President Uhuru was there. And our people remained there. Why is it now that our people are being evicted? We have thus instructed our lawyers through the office of the county attorney to have the orders striking out in the suit reversed through an appeal. And we are going to be enjoined in that case as Machakos County government. The law allows the county government to be enjoined in court cases where the government has interest. And in East African Portland Cement, we have interest. And this is one of such cases. This will ensure that as government, we can articulate the position of the government and protect the interest of Amimalu Kenya for and on behalf of the people of Machakos.